Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stunning brownie tower. First, select a dense brownie recipe that holds its shape well. Fudgy brownies work best. Bake your brownies in different sized pans, perhaps a 9-inch square, a 6-inch square, and a 4-inch square, to create distinct layers. It's crucial to let them cool entirely, ideally for several hours or even overnight, to prevent crumbling during stacking. This preparation ensures a stable and beautiful foundation for your edible masterpiece. Now let's stack your tower. Use a thick, edible adhesive such as chocolate ganache, buttercream frosting, or even melted candy melts between each layer. Start with your largest brownie as the base, placing it firmly on your serving platter. Apply a generous layer of your chosen adhesive, then carefully center the next smaller brownie on top. Continue this process, ensuring each layer is level and secure, building your tower upwards, with decreasing brownie sizes for that classic tiered look. Once your tower is built, it's time for the fun part: decorating. Drizzle melted chocolate, white chocolate, or caramel sauce over the sides for an elegant finish. You can also dust with powdered sugar or cocoa. For extra flair, adorn your tower with fresh raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries. Edible flowers, chocolate shavings, or colorful sprinkles also add a delightful touch. A small, festive topper, like a miniature flag or a personalized ornament, can complete the look beautifully. Finally, let's talk presentation. Always place your finished brownie tower on a sturdy, attractive serving platter or cake stand. If you need to transport it, ensure it's well chilled and secured in a box to prevent any shifting. For the best taste and texture, serve your brownie tower at room temperature, allowing the flavors to truly shine. This impressive dessert is perfect for celebrations, gatherings, or simply as a delightful treat to share with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.